In a landmark judgment coming in, the Supreme Court has paved the way for recognizing the identity of transgender persons. Let's listen into reactions coming in.
Vulnerable, therefore they must be offered every opportunity to employment, to education, access to healthcare in all the states, whether it's state or central. Yeah.
Well, we've got Rhythm Anand Bharadwaj on the phone line with us. Rhythm, a landmark judgment that's come in from the Supreme Court, paving the way for recognizing the identity of transgender persons as a third gender. Take us through the details.
Absolutely, and Nida, this becomes even more landmark because not only has the Supreme Court recognized the rights of transgenders, but they've also created a separate category for them, calling it the third category. At the same time, they've also said that there have to be ground rules that have to be laid down by the central government and the state government, which clearly means that they are also looking for action to be taken by the government in this regard. They've also said that they have to now be treated as the economically and socially backward people, which means that they will be given reservation in jobs and education by the government. That in itself is a huge landmark thing. Now we also need to remember that
Supreme Court has taken very serious view about the transgender community, which is a broader term, but the killers which have been deprived since very long years, now they have been recognized as third gender in the country, and they will be getting the category of backward class and will be entitled to all the reservation facilities in employment, in education, in public place, in even transport, at bus stops or railway stations. Everything will be given to them at par with the citizen. They have considered a wider sense. They are the citizen, and human rights should also be considered along with the citizen rights. That is what has been done. And India is the first country in the entire world to deal with the third category of sex. Direction have been given to all the state governments and the central government for complying the direction of the court to give the reservation and to identify them, gender identity as well as the rights thereof.
Okay, so that's the response that's coming in right now. Rhythm is helping us understand this entire situation and the order that's coming from the Supreme Court, the judgment that's coming from the Supreme Court. Rhythm, you know, in 2013 is what I understand, the Supreme Court had reserved its judgment on the question of the recognition of the identity of transgender persons. Now, how exactly does it pan out from here?
Nida, exactly the point, because this is not only about transgenders being recognized now, but the PIL very clearly was also sort of something that was already assisted by the government. The government was not against the PIL, but today's judgment becoming even more relevant because welfare, social economic conditions will also now be taken into consideration for transgenders. Not only will they be given separate rights, but the government very clearly having to go ahead and take steps to ensure that there is reservation for transgenders. Also at this point, they said that there has to be a separate third category of gender. All the forms that are now coming out in India will not only be having male and female written on them as the sex, but also a third option. So clearly not only a landmark judgment, as the lawyer also said, it's the first time this is happening in the country, but very clearly reservation also being demanded now for transgenders by the top court, and clearly something.
जितनी बड़ी खुशी दी है आज देश की सबसे बड़ी अदालत ने आपको
मेरे आज मैं जैसे कोर्ट रूम में अंदर में दाखिल हुई और मेरे मन से यही निकला कि आज 15 अप्रैल है, 15 तारीख भारतवर्ष के लिए हमेशा शुभ रहा है। काश आज मेरे समाज के लिए और मेरे लिए भी ये 15 तारीख शुभ हो। पर आज जो जस्टिस राधाकृष्ण ने और जस्टिस सीकरी ने जो जजमेंट उन्होंने हमें सुनाया, उन्होंने कहा किसी भी देश का उन्नति और डेवलपमेंट उसके ह्यूमन राइट से है, उनके इंसानों के हक से है। आज मर्द, औरत और थर्ड सेक्स या थर्ड जेंडर को, किन्नरों को बहुत बड़ा हक दिया गया है, मानवीय अधिकार का हक दिया गया है। आज मैं पहली बार अपने आप को भारतीय होने का गर्व महसूस कर रही हूँ। आज लग रहा है कि लक्ष्मी या अर्नेस्ट या मेरे सारी बहनें आज भारतवर्ष में आज हम एक भारतीय हैं और इसका मुझे गर्व है, क्योंकि आज दोनों जस्टिस ने, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया ने जो हमें हमारा हक दिया है, राइट फ्रॉम एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट या हर एक तबके को छुआ है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने। और मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ दोनों जस्टिस का। ये जो पास है मेरे पास, जिंदगी का पहला पास सुप्रीम कोर्ट का है, और मैं अपने लॉयर्स और जितने भी लॉयर्स उसमें शामिल थे, आनंद ग्रोवर, लाया मेहंदी और नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटी को ऑनेस्ट को, गौरी भी थी एक पेटिशनर, और मैं शुक्रिया करती हूँ कि आज भारत में हमें हमारा हक मिला है।